Hello, Breddies. We're gonna do a Christmas Snowicorn as a short for you right now. Let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
Grab a marker and something to draw on, and let's get started. All right, Breddies. We are gonna do a Snowicorn. Ready, Will?
Yeah.
Take your lid off. First step is we're gonna start with the head. So let's do a circle in the top. So start there. Ready? And just go, Will, just go around circle. Perfect. All right, Breddies. If you don't have a perfect circle, it's okay. All right, now we're gonna do a triangle ear right there. So start here, go to there, and end there. A triangle ear.
Hey.
Yep, triangle. Start here. Do. Perfect. Job, buddy. Knuckles. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna do, since it's Christmas, we're gonna do a Santa Claus hat. So let's do a straight line, but add bumps. Can you do that? A straight line of bumps. Kind of weird. Like it's straight, but it's bumpy. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Perfect. Now take a bump up. And just like we did here, Breddies, bump over. Yeah, so good. And then you already did it, Will. So I'll do mine. Take it down. You already did it. Good job. All right, Breddies. And then since it's a unicorn, we're gonna put the horn coming out of the hat right here. So let's do a smile line for the bottom of our horn. Can you do a smile line above? Do a smile line.
Like this.
Yeah. Good job, dude. Perfect.
And now your diggle.
And now a triangle. Up and down. You can do it, Will. Yeah, good job. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna do his little unicorn hair. So we're just gonna do a S line and then bring it up. So do your S line right here. Dot, 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 dot. And then bring it up. Can you connect those? Super cute. And when we color that in, Breddies, it's gonna look so good. We'll do the unicorn colors. All right, since this is a super simple one, pre-K age, we're just gonna do 2 dots for eyes, kind of how snowmen have coals on one side of that little hair and on the other side. Job, dude. It's a coal eye. And then on the other side. Perfect, Will. All right, and now just a cute smiley face. Oh. Nice, so cute. All right, Breddies. Now we got to do the Santa Claus hat. So we're going to have it come up and over. You ready? What does it matter? You good? All right. Oh, let's do the inside of our ear first. Let's go up and down and then connect. Good job, buddy. All right. Breddies, for our Santa Claus hat, we're just gonna take it up and over. So go up to the unicorn horn. Can you do that? And then over. Nice. And now a ball. Boop, boop, boop. So you can put your ball right here. Boop, boop, boop. Good job, Will. All right, buddies. And now we're just gonna take this curve up and connect. You don't need to do it because you already got that. And we have our perfect Santa hat. Does that look good, Will? All right, now we're gonna do a scarf. Ready? Line down. So start like right here. Go line down.
Dad, did the animal go?
No. No, you're okay. Do your line down. Good job. And now line over. And buddies, you're just gonna kind of mirror the circle of the face. Can you do that, Will? Nice. And he already got ahead of me. And then take it up like that. Down. And connect it. Looking good. All right, buddies. Now we're gonna make it come out like that. Can you do that? A curve line out.
Now you're copying somebody.
And then match it. And then line. Like that. Good job. All right, buddies, almost done. You ready? Next step, a circle out. Oh, we did the whole body. All right. And ready, so it's kind of like a snowman. So just don't worry about your circle being perfect. Let's just take it down like he did, and then we'll do some snow. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, good job, buddy. And then 3 buttons.
I'm gonna take that.
That's a good one. Do one more, just do 2 buttons. All right, buddies, that is it. That is our Christmas Snowicorn. It's a snowman with a unicorn horn. Let's color. Are you ready to color, buddy? All right, buddies, we are all done. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
We did a Christmas Snowicorn.
Yes.
A snowman unicorn. Let's show them. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it looks so good, Will. Did you have fun?
Yes. And there's an ice rink.
And he made a little ice rink. So creative. All right, buddies, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And watch another one tomorrow. We'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.